Hello, boys and girls. I'm Dr. Derek with BrainStrong, and today we're going to be practicing our English letters and their letter sounds, and we'll be using the BrainStrong's alphabet flashcards. Our first letter is A, and the short A sound is ah. Ah. So the letter A, ah, like a alpaca. Alpaca, which is related to llamas. B is buh. The letter B, like a bear. And here we have a baby bear. Oh, and for all these letters, we're going to be using baby animals because these are the lowercase letters. Letter C, so we're going to be doing the hard C, so it's k, k. The hard C sound is k, like a camel. D is duh. And to say D, we put the tip of our tongue on the roof of our mouth and we blow air out. Duh. D, duh, like a dinosaur. Okay. Letter E, the short E sound is eh. And to say that eh sound, it's actually really hard to do. You have to contract like a lot of muscles. But keep on practicing, you'll get it. The letter E, eh, like a elk. An elk is just like a really big deer. F, like a fox. G, we'll do the hard G sound, which is g. Letter G, like a goat. H is H, like a hedgehog. Letter I, short I sound is I. Like a iguana. So an iguana. J is J, like a jellyfish. K is K. It's the exact same sound as the hard C. K, like a kangaroo. It's the letter L. L is ooh. L, ooh, lobster. M, moose. N, like a narwhal. O, for the short O sound, it's ah. O is ah, like a otter. P is P, like a panther. Q is Q, like quail. R is like a raccoon. S is like a squid. Now, squid's kind of hard to say, but keep on practicing and you'll get it. T, turtle. U, so the short U sound is but U also makes the long U sound, which just says its name, so it just says U. So U, it's or if we do the long U sound, it's U, like a unicorn. We had to do an animal with the long U sound, and we found a unicorn, which aren't quite real, because this was the only animal that began with the U and had the long U sound. So, U, unicorn. V is v, 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 like vulture. And here's a little baby vulture before its flight feathers grow in. W, wa, wa. W, wa, walrus. And this little baby walrus doesn't even have its tusks grown in yet. X is x, 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 x. Here's an X-ray fish. And it's a real fish. It lives way deep down in the ocean where it's completely black. It doesn't get any sunlight. And so its skin doesn't need any pigment. So you can see right through it. You can see its internal organs. And then Y. Y is ya, ya. Y, ya, yak. Z, 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 zebra. And this little baby zebra is just born. It can't even walk yet. Great job. Give me a fist bump. Good job practicing with me. Now let's do it again.